Hey Christina, how you doing? It's Deepak here. So I'm just looking at your, of course, sheet now. So I'm assuming it's sheet 2. Let's have a look at the email. So not quite the weekend. Tagging content goes. You know what you think of the keyword assignments per page? As far as tagging these keywords, there's no differentiating. We should make adjustments. This is why I love video. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So P1 keyword assignments per page. P1 keywords are all different. Okay, great. So the P1 keywords are all different, so that makes sense. Secondary navigation, company, okay, fine. P2, P3, P4, 4 keywords. B2B sales lead, data-driven, account-based, customer success, demo, insight-based. So these are the keywords we're trying to rank for, like demo or like customer success. I don't think there's any value in ranking for words like customer success. That could just like mean anything. So it's just a kind of question mark on keywords like that. Also, I think it's better to rank for keywords like demand generation services, right? We want keywords that are commercial, have commercial intent. So it's not just volume; it's also commercial intent. Like banner ads, I would say that that's kind of not a good keyword, because like banner ads could mean anything for anyone. It could be, you know, like someone looking to learn about banner ads. It could be someone doing a school project about banner ads. It could be you know, a Google sales rep like learning, you know, or looking at the latest info on banner ads. Email marketing, again, is it in line with what you do? As in email marketing services, like it's such a broad term. Email service marketing could be sending cold emails, right? It's too broad in my opinion. Insight based, okay, cool. Intent data. So demand generation, so like this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good, this is good. The other ones have that issue. Let me know if that makes sense. And then it would also apply to everything else that you have, like display ads. Like, what do we want to? I mean, again, it's just that kind of commercial conversation. What is it that, you know, display ads mean when someone's searching for it, or display advertising? So they're my thoughts. I hope that makes sense, and look forward to talking to you later today. All right.